Hello, this is Maestro X, and I'm going to go over the Level 2 Academic Word of the Day, Insert, for Week 4, Quarter 1. Let's take a look at your flashcard. Insert has two syllables, insert, and the emphasis or stress is on the second syllable, cert. So we say insert. Insert. It is a verb, although it can also be used as a noun, but we're going to give you the verb definition, which is to put something into something else or between two things. To put something into something else or between two things. And usually the connotation is the something that you're putting in is something small, or it's a tight fit. The space that you're putting it into is small. Okay, that's why you have this implication between two things, tight space. Let's look at your sentence example. A caret is a proofreading mark that an editor may use to indicate that the writer must insert something into the text. So this little mark here, like the top of an arrow, is called a caret. It's a proofreading mark, and usually the caret is there and something is written above it to indicate that this is supposed to be put into this text. And that's what I was saying. It's usually in a small space or between two things, like between proposed and in. Insert in the verb form can also be used as a noun, in which case the pronunciation differs or changes by having the stress or emphasis placed on the first syllable. So in the noun form, it's insert. Insert. The verb form is insert. The noun form is insert. Or in the plural, in inserts. So back to our example, you could say this is the insert that you need to put into the text. Okay, the thing that you are trying to put in is called the insert. And the process or action is the insertion. Insertion. Insertion is your noun form. Okay, the action of putting something into something else. Okay? And then you have your two participle forms. Adjectives inserted. So you can say the word was inserted into the text. Or inserting, which is the writer was inserting text, new text, into his essay. Some synonyms is to inject, which is often used in medicine. Implant, which is often used for biology, but also in other forms. You can also talk about like a spy. You know, we're going to implant a spy into the Russian government. It means we're going to try to send a U.S. Spy over there and somehow get them into the Russian government. That's implant. Or to embed. To embed. Antonym we give you is remove. So that is your academic word of the day. Be sure to write an original sentence using insert as a verb. An original sentence using insert as a verb about yourself, and include an illustration. Happy studying.